Hi guys, it's Shriya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. In today's video, I will be sharing my latest Tira haul. Now this is my very first haul from Tira. I have always been very loyal to Nykaa and Amazon and Myntra, but this is my very first haul from Tira. All the products came very nice, damage free, at great discounts, great deals from Tira, and all of them came together in one box, packed really well. So I'm very happy with the way things came, with the way stuff came, and overall service felt nice. The products came within 2 weeks of the time of ordering. So overall, the experience of shopping and getting good deals and products not being in a damaged form was good. Did not have any problems in kind of like navigating through the app and all of that. So the experience is good. Now let me share my haul with you guys. I have primarily skincare and body care and hair care in this video, and very minimal things for makeup. No new lipsticks this time. Okay, so in makeup I have bare minimum things, no all, a very basic makeup stuff here and there. So let's begin with the haul. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So let's talk about the first set of products which are like the talk of the town in the hair care industry, and these are from L'Oreal. These are the L'Oreal Glycolic Gloss Extra Gloss Shampoo, the pink variant, and similarly their conditioner. And then they have two more products in this range. One is an acidifier, which is ultra gloss acidifier that you use in your shower itself, and this is supposed to give glossy shiny hair. It's the one that I have used today, like the shampoo, conditioner, this glossy, and also this serum, the gloss Glycolic Gloss 3% serum. So this is the one that I have used today. So all four of these products I have used today for my shampoo and conditioner, and the results are pretty good. The shine is nice, hair looks healthy, and the fragrance is amazing. And the shampoo lathers really well, remove the gunk and the product buildup really well. So I really like these products. After seeing so many people collaborating for this product and talking a lot about it, I had my doubts. I was thinking that okay, all the influencers have been sent these common products and a common script, and everyone is like talking the same shit. So I wanted to test and try by my own whether these are really worth the hype and worth trying and testing. And after doing so, I am confident like this is a good product. And most of the time with L'Oreal, I have observed that even if they are sending in bulk to the collaborators and influencers their products, most of the time their products are good. मतलब ना, मुझे लॉरियल के साथ कभी भी वो इशू नहीं आया है कि दे हैव हाइप्ड अप अ प्रोडक्ट which was not worth the hype. That has not happened. And same is the case with this one. After I saw so many influencers talking about it, I was like ये अच्छा नहीं होगा. Maybe सब लोग बस रटा रटाया बोल रहे हैं, this may not be good, I may not trust. But जब जो एक दो influencers है ना जिसको मैं truly trust करती हूँ, उन्होंने भी अच्छा बोला, तो I was like, you know what, maybe the product is good. So finally I went ahead and I got it, and I felt that this is a good product to try. So after ordering those products, I got this one for free. This is the Absolute Repair Molecular Repair Restore Protect Trial Pack from L'Oreal, and they have sent me a shampoo, a conditioner, and also two more products like they have sent a hair mask as well as, okay, so they have sent me these four products, which is like a shampoo, conditioner, a hair mask, and also a heat protectant. So these four products of samples they have sent. I really like and appreciate the way this is like packed, and it came like this. So basically like this, all four products in this. So good packaging, and I am yet to test and try this one, so I'll see 1 year. Next I got my favorite dry serum from deodorant from Dove. Now you guys know I love this product. This keeps me odor free for almost 8 to 9 hours outdoors. Okay, outdoors, when I am running chores and I'm going to office and I'm traveling in sun and all of that, it keeps me odor free. I love this product, and this is something that I have finished tubes and tubes of. This is probably my 7th or 8th tube, and I will keep on continuing with this one because it helps making the underarms really clean. It's kind of like taking care of that odor, of the gunk, of the product buildup, and of everything. Like my underarms feel very healthy when I started using this one. So I'm going to stick to it. It has 3% niacinamide and 10x collagen, and a perfect product. If you are somebody who does not like those alcoholic roll-ons, just go with this one. It's just like putting moisturizer on your underarms. Okay, so love this product. Then I got 2 body washes. The first one is from M Caffeine, and this is Guava Teeny Detan Body Wash. This is how it looks like, a nice peachy pink color, and literally smells like guava martini. It has a very mocktail freshness, fruity feel to it. And detan properties, I don't know, I've just tried twice. Felt nice in the bath, so that was good enough for me. And the next one is from Foxtail. This one I loved, like I loved. Out of the 2, I loved this one. Okay, this one is from Foxtail, and this is exfoliating body wash, and this is with 2% salicylic acid and zinc PCA. So the fragrance was amazing. It has a nice lavender fragrance to it, so very calming, very nice, and gave me a very luxe bathing experience. For me, bathing products need to give me that spa wala experience, otherwise I feel that the day is incomplete. So this one gave me that. I love this product and definitely want to try new variants from this line. Like Foxtail is impressing me with its products. So continuing on Foxtail now, I have 2 of their viral products. Like these 2 moisturizers went crazy viral on the internet, and one is niacinamide clarifying serum, this one, which is this purple bottle. Okay, and the second one is this oil balancing moisturizer with brightening serum pearls, which is this one basically. So these 2 products got super duper viral. Everybody is talking about them, especially if you have acne prone skin and you have lots of zits on your face. This is something that people are recommending. I am getting crazy level acne on my skin right now, like everywhere I have breakouts. So I am kind of testing and trying this one. Not sure if it's going to work because nothing is working on my acne. Literally even the medicated serums and the creams are not working. So I don't know what to do about it. So I was like, might as well give this one also a try. So we'll see what my skin condition gets to. So as we are talking about Foxtail products, I got a freebie, and that too a perfume. So I was like, thank you Tina for that. This one is Foxtail Valley of Flowers. This is also a very famous perfume. Like on the internet, I see a lot of ads for this one. I don't know if those are paid promotions or what they are, but kind of have seen this perfume a lot rotating and being talked about. Opens up like a closet like this, and the perfume sitting right here. Notes are mentioned right here. Some things about the perfume here. So kind of like a good packaging, I'll say. Very basic bottle. Kind of has this secret temptation wala kind of like feel to it. Nice glass bottle with a plastic cap that looks like a crystal. Okay, now this perfume has pear, jasmine, some dash of cinnamon, some zestiness or citrusiness to it, and some woodiness to it. It kind of reminds me of La Belle from Jean Paul Gaultier. Those cooked pear mixing up with jasmine and that similar scent profile. Also, this one is very similar to Mama Earth's Into the Valley. These 2 are very similar. So basically, if you have this one, no need to buy this one, vice versa. So both have very similar scent profile. That same cooked pear meeting some freshness of flowers and some woodiness, right? Almost similar. So both of them are like JPG's La Belle dupes. While we are on perfumes, this is the one that I ordered. This is from Color Me, and this is in the variant Neon Pink. So this one is your very warm, oriental, floral, freshy fragrance. Also woody. And it's neon pink, but not neon pink. Like the color doesn't match. I was hoping that it will be this pink, but it is kind of peach in color. I don't know why, I don't know. It's neon though, it's neon, but it's orange inside, and I don't know, peachish pink, I guess. The sprayer is really nice, very strong spray, continuous spray. See, continuous spray. I love the sprayer on this one. Yes, this is your very floral, woody, freshy, oriental, a little bit of a spicy fragrance. Also has like a hint of a fruitiness to it, which is kind of a little bit plastic. I don't know. It maybe it needs maceration or something like that, but slightly synthetic alcohol. Yeah, it's slightly synthetic. I love the purple variant of Color Me. Pink variant is alright, it's not that great, but the continuous sprayer, it just, the way the perfume comes out, I use it very sparingly, and I'm probably going to finish this bottle in less than 2 months. So it will be a paisa vasool for me, so that's not a problem. I'll finish it, but I don't love it. Find it to be okay. Has a slight bit of a synthetic bubblegum feel also to it. Maybe because of the florals, like tuberose has that effect. Overall, decent pick. Won't say that I'm super impressed by it. Just a decent pick. Just left with couple of products. And this one is from Mars. This is a primer and this is called as a gripping primer. So this one is from Mars. This is the gripping primer. Everyone on the internet is talking about this one and it's not very expensive. And today I have used this gripping primer and my makeup is really set well. Like it's not moving, it's not budging, and I'm not becoming like a extreme case of tale hue papad ka tukra. Like it's not that level oily, so I think this is working well for my skin. If you have oily and acne prone skin, you're going to love this one. And by far, so far, I am kind of like enjoying this one, so like this product a lot. Then two products from PAC, and both are like makeup sponges kind of situation. This is my third or the fourth sponge, I'll say. Like I use only this. Sometimes I use PAC brushes to do my makeup. Most of the days I'm using this. Okay, so this is the powder puff. This is how it looks like. I put my foundation, powder, bronzer, highlighter, everything using this puff. It's like a universal applicator for me. Even on traveling, I just travel with this one. I don't carry brushes or anything. Separately, I've ordered a powder brush this time. I mean, powder puff this time, but galdi se white color order kar diya, and I was like, what were you thinking? Like, ek din mein kharab ho jayega. The moment I open it and dunk it in the banana powder, it'll be yellow, no more white. But it's okay. I'm going to use it. So this is a powder puff and this is also a powder puff, but I use it for everything. Then another freebie. So I got this from Minimalist, and this is a B5 vitamin B5 10% moisturizer with copper, zinc, magnesium, hyaluronic acid and betaine. This is lightweight and it's oil free. This is how it looks like. I have not used it yet and I don't know how the consistency and everything is, because I wanted to give a fair try to the Foxtail combination of moisturizers that I have ordered. So I just wanted to see if they really work on acne or not. Okay, so I have not used this one, but this was a free product. So thank you, Tira, for that. So that's it. That brings us to the end of the video. This was my very first Tira haul. Overall, I love the products. Overall, I love the shopping experience, and it gets a thumbs up. So that's it. So I'm sorted with that. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.